Questions 5 and 6 of your review are percent yield questions. So remember, whenever we're doing percent yield, we're wanting to know what is the percent yield of one of the products. So given a certain amount of one of the reactants, what is our percent yield of one of these products? In this case, number 5 is saying if a reaction was done that had 150 grams of oxygen, and it says, and 50 grams of water were collected by the person, so that is your actual yield. So the 50 grams is what they actually got. It wants to know what the percent yield is. So we need to figure out theoretically what they should have gotten of water using stoichiometry. So 150 grams of oxygen. Oxygen is 32 grams. Remember, it's 32 because it's diatomic. 32 grams for a mole of oxygen. For every 11 moles of oxygen, so again, we're doing our ratio now. There's 8 moles of water. And a mole of water is 18 grams. So again, this is our theoretical yield. This is what they should have gotten. When you do that, I'll write this down here. It's 61.4 grams of water. That is what their theoretical yield is. That's what they should have gotten. So the percent yield of water would be what they actually got, which is in the question, 50 grams, divided by what they should have gotten, 61.4 grams. So if we divide those two, they had a percent yield, at least these people did, percent yield of about 81.4%. So the 50 grams they got was 81.4% of what they should have gotten. Again, 100% yield would be the best. This yield is 81.4%. The other percent yield question is one that's a little bit more difficult. Not too much more, but it tells you that a student used 80 grams of that, and they only got a 70% yield of carbon dioxide. So we need to figure out what was their theoretical yield. What should they have gotten from these 80 grams, assuming we have enough oxygen. So 80 grams of C7H16. It's 100 grams per mole of that compound. So just looking that up off the periodic table, it's 100 grams per mole of C7H16. Again, labels cancel. Moles of C7H16 down here for every 1. There's 7 moles of CO2. And every mole of carbon dioxide is 44 grams. The mole of carbon dioxide is 44 grams. So when we do that, we get 246.4 grams of CO2. Again, that's the theoretical yield. Okay, that is what they should have gotten theoretical. It says that they actually only got a 70% yield. So they only got 70% of that number for their actual. Okay, so we could set up a little proportion and say, well, if 70% is 70 out of 100 equals X number of grams, their actual over the theoretical, 246.4. Cross multiply and divide, so we're really taking 70% of this number, which is 172.5 grams of CO2. So that is their actual. They actually got this much. They should have gotten that much, which this number is 70% of that. So they lost 30% of the product somewhere.